Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskies and sisters, to our reaction video, man. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. But over here, we react to funny comedy clips, trying to get some laughter and just chill and be on some cool vibe and positive vibe. You feel me? We don't do too much over here. Yes, we have another video to react to. This one is the couple prank. We already did one yesterday. If you haven't, make sure you go check that one out. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into this one. Before we go into this one, though, I want to let you guys know we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We currently are almost 500. I appreciate you guys. Let's keep going, and we're gonna get to 1,000 real quick. Let's check out the video, man. Oh, is that a pistol? Is that a gun? Bro, put out a whole pistol? Wow. Wow. Bro was ready for the smoke. He had a pistol out, bro.
You play too much, bro.
Hey, yo.
No.
That's a whole pistol, bro. With a silencer on it. Damn.
Flinching at my boyfriend to get his reaction.
Shit.
What are you doing? Huh? Huh? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Why? I feel like a fucking idiot now. Why was you already saying like that?
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
See you later, babe.
Hello? Hello?
What?
You didn't tell me you were leaving.
What do you mean?
Where are you going?
I'm going to the gym.
Okay, well, you're just gonna leave like that.
Yeah, I'll see you later.
Wait.
What?
Aren't you missing something?
Oh, my water.
That's what you do is shit in life.
Wait.
What? Can I leave?
Aren't you gonna say I love you?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Wait.
And he still didn't say it. That's my G. Nah, but I have a question though, like for y'all that be in a relationship, is it compulsory? Is it a must thing that before anyone leaves, or like before anyone leaves the house, they have to say "I love you" every time though? Like, I mean, sometimes you can say, drop your head on there, "I love you," it's okay, but every time though, like you have to say it every time you leave in the house. Nah, see, I think that's a little bit too much, and it's cliche now. I mean, nah, I don't. If you tell me every day you love me, like, bro, I don't. Do you get what I mean? But I mean, to each their own, right? But yeah, saying I love you every
Yo,
day, bro.
babe!
What?
Hurry up, quick!
What?
Quick!
What? I see your little contraption. Think you're all slick? You're so tight. Oh!
Run to the bedroom. Hey, yo, bro.
Oh, my.
Bro, why is it coughing and acting all that crazy, bro? How about when you guys be kissing, sucking your tongues and everything, swallowing each other's spit, saliva, and whatnot? Damn, bro. Nah, that's crazy, bro. That's mad.
I'm hungry as hell.
Well, we finna go get some food, so don't even sweat it. What are you doing? What are you doing? What?
Who you been giving top to?
Baby, what are you?
Yo, what the hell, bro? The first thing that went to his head, who you give it top to? That's mad. You here topping niggas up, huh?
What are you talking about?
Babe, this shit back like dang.
You the only one that get in there? You did it.
What you mean?
You sit like that all the time.
I do not.
Babe.
Babe, quit
You
minding
telling
me.
me I don't be driving, you over
Stop.
here like... Yeah.
No.
For sure.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
For sure.
Who been in the seat, bruh?
Who you giving
Kinda
top to?
romantic.
Hey, stop. That's what happened. That's what you did. That's what you did when I was when I was gone. That's what you did. How sloppy was it?
Yeah, that's crazy. Imagine she will actually give you top to
Maria, can
someone.
you bring me a banana? I'm starving.
What did you just say?
I said, can you please bring me a banana? I'm starving.
No, before that. What did you say before that?
Andrea, can you bring me a banana?
You didn't say Andrea.
Yes, I
You
did.
said Maria. I knew you still had feelings for her.
Her whole day is fucked up like that, bro. He fucked up her whole day like that. Damn. Ooh. Wait, I can't hear nothing. What is going on? It's all the way to 100. So like, why can't I hear nothing?
What's funny?
He said
But I didn't tell you can laugh. Did I tell you that?
no, I just thought that it was a joke.
You gonna make me do it.
No, you ain't gotta do it.
Sit up.
I'm gonna head out, bro.
Huh?
I'm gonna head out.
Nah, bro, we gonna watch the game. You said you want to watch the game.
Nah, I just wanna stop by, see what's up with this all.
Nah, but you said that you want to watch the game, bro.
Can we watch some-
No! He said he wanted to watch the game. Sit down, bro.
Bro, I'm good.
Bro, sit down.
Bro, I'm good, bro. Like, I don't need to sit down.
I just wanna.
Stop talking. I'm finna do it to him.
Do with me.
I don't care if you do it to him. I'm tired of you doing it to me.
Stop talking. Come watch the game, bro.
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Come on.
Hey.
Come watch the
Hey,
game.
chill out, bro. Chill out,
Come
bro.
watch the game.
Chill out, bro.
Yeah. Just come sit
I
down, bro.
didn't do nothing, did I?
My bad, bro. I forgot to tell you that. Sometimes we be having like, I'm okay, man. Just
Mixed
Nah,
personality.
I'm playing, bro. It's a joke, bro. I'm playing. Watch the game.
Nah, I ain't no trouble, bro. Like, you got a whole knife right there. Nah, I'm good.
I'm just gonna do it.
Just to him, that's cool. But to me, no.
Man, it's up to you.
Nah, I didn't head out, bro. Yeah. I catch you tomorrow, bro.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow, that's cool. He can come
I'm
tomorrow.
just playing, bro. It's a prank. It's a prank, bro.
Oh wait, hold on. I don't get it. So the dude with the durag, with the black hoodie, that's probably her brother, right? I'm not gonna just stand here and watch and watch another dude disrespect my sister like that. Brody had a knife, and you just gonna walk out and just leave the house, not knowing what's gonna happen to your sister. Nah, bro. See me, I wouldn't do that, bro. I'm staying there. He has a knife, okay, yeah, but nah, bro. He wants to leave and just walk away, and that's his sister, like I assume. But nah, bro. That's just nah. Hell nah, bro. Hell nah, bro.
Tomorrow?
Yeah? Wait, give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm nothing. I'm nothing. Go. Move. Go out the back way. What? Oh! No.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh, Babe, wait,
You gotta be. Get the fuck out of my house, nigga. Get the fuck out.
Wait, come out, babe.
Wait, she said, "Get the fuck out of my house!" Like, hold on, now, bro. If you are gonna cheat on your partner, bro, not at their house, get a hotel or something, or go to your friend's house or something, but not at her house, bro. She gonna kill you, bro.
Get the fuck out.
Come out.
Get out of there.
Come out.
No.
Come out, I'm sorry, just come out, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Hey, babe. I'm here. Oh. Why would you
Why?
do that?
Who?
Why would you hit me?
Preston, who was that?
Little do you know that didn't actually hurt me, so.
Who was it?
Who's what? What are you talking
Go look
about?
at yourself in the mirror right now.
What are you talking about? What are you... No way.
Yeah, so you have some explaining to do. I'm so pissed at you right now. Who was it? Why would you do that to me? No, seriously, why would you do that?
Yo, where did this come from?
I don't know. You tell me.
No, that's not good. I've been walking around all day like this at work, babe. You can't. No.
Are you serious? That's all you care about?
What is this?
No, is that
I'm
all you?
so
I
shocked.
cannot believe you.
What are you talking
That's
about?
all you care about.
What? That's all you care about? Is that, babe? I've been literally walking around.
I don't care
no, I need
who
to-
gave you
need
that. I
to
need
make some phone calls
answers.
'cause I
I
gotta
need.
explain this to
I need.
everybody at work. This
Are
is
you
bad.
serious?
Hey, if that was actually like a real life situation, yeah, that would be a great way to escape. You just like, damn, I have to cut work and explain. Damn.
What?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you? Why are you hiding? What are you?
What
Move!
about?
Move them! What are you doing? What?
Small girls are strong though. Why are they so strong like that?
This one? Honey? Honey? Husband? Gorgeous? Hello? Having a really great conversation. I'll be right with you. I'm with my husband. Right, honey? Are you okay? I love you. Do you love me?
Yes, I love you. Kidding me. I want to see what you do if I ignored you. I'm so sorry.
That was so sad. I'm like, what did I do wrong?
I love you.
That was
Are
so
you mad at
mean.
me? Hey.
I'm sorry, I have to ignore you right now.
Whoa!
Man, they're sweet, man. I like them.
Which one do you think I should get, the red or pink?
For who?
For me?
For where?
Bro, he said, for who? For where? For what? That would have been my next question. Oh, why?
She meant like here.
No!
I think they're not exactly your size.
They're literally my size.
Bro.
Like they're like dual hats, you know, like you wear it together. These are
Hey,
literally
bro.
bigger than my head.
Yeah.
No. No, maybe we need to find some more options.
No!
Bro, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy, bro. Damn.
Hey, baby.
Yo, hey, that was not just funny, right? That whole scenario play out. That was exactly how the whole scenario played out in my head before it actually happened. Damn, bro.
Wait, are you okay? Why'd you move like that?
Nah, that was too funny, bro. That was too funny. Damn.
Alright, go ahead, let's see.
Oh shit. Oh, this one.
What? What?
She's so shocked. Oh, that's
Leaving
mean.
without telling
All
my
right, bye,
find
babe.
I love you to see what he does.
When are you gonna be back?
My appointment is at 12:30, so I don't know when.
Okay.
Okay. All right, bye, babe.
I love you.
Have a good day. I'll see you soon.
love you.
Bye, babe.
I love you.
No, he's
Wait
gonna
for
run
it.
out for sure.
How did I know?
I love you.
How did I know? I love you. But I think I'm gonna just change out of it. But I want you to go.
What the fuck you talking about?
So I
bro?
could change. I don't like this outfit.
What do you need me to get out for?
Because I want privacy.
Oh, privacy? Now I'm gonna say it with binoculars now.
No,
Oh, wait.
cover.
Naya, for what,
I
asshole?
want you to see.
Oh yeah, you know what I'm gonna see? Like I
No.
never seen it. What are you fucking
No,
shot?
I want to just change in private.
But who am I, an asshole or a jerk?
Alright, but cover your eyes.
Naya,
Turn
I'm
that
not
way then.
No, now I'm gonna sit here and watch you get undressed and dress up again. What's the problem? Naya, what haven't I seen before?
Bro, it's not happening, bro. What haven't I seen before? No, I don't know any man who would like take this. Like, what do you even mean? The first thing that would go in my head is, are you okay? Like, what the hell do you mean? You feel me? Because I'll be having too many questions in my head. Like, why is she doing that?
What haven't I seen before?
Exactly.
I'm here. Go.
No. Now give me my pair of binoculars.
No, go.
And a back scratcher and a bag of
Oh
popcorn.
my god, I'm just gonna go change in the bathroom.
No, what do you change right here?
No.
Change right here. No. If you don't, come here.
Shout out to Brianna's mom for the chocolate. She honestly came in clutch with it.
Brianna, stop! Stop, Brianna.
Why? Why?
Bree, baby.
Is that what you used to call her?
Brianna, come here, kiss.
No, get it. Don't touch me.
Bree, come here.
Don't touch me.
Bree, wait.
Yeah, okay.
No, stop.
Bro is destroyed. You know, bro is destroyed right now.
I said baby.
Baby, who's no?
No one. I don't know. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, I'm seriously. I'm kidding. It's a TikTok.
Nah, I wouldn't believe that, bro. I wouldn't believe that, bro. I'm going through our phone and looking for anyone called Noah. It's smoke for anyone called Noah.
My boyfriend's here. Under the bed. He's here.
What you locking? Who the fuck under
No
there?
one's there. No
What the fuck you locking the door? Who's in here? Who's in here?
Nobody.
Who's in here?
He's searching, bro.
Let me find somebody.
No one's in.
When the dog is searching for somebody.
Have you seen? What are you doing?
Sorry, I was weird. My sock. I was trying to adjust my sock and then I fell into the door.
I have to go pee.
Ain't that crazy?
Yeah.
I was like thinking that because like you know how we were kids, you try to like when you do stuff like that, you try to balance. And
Yeah.
stuff.
I have to pee.
Because I'd be like balance, I'd lean this way. You know what I'm saying?
Ow, my hand!
I'm sorry.
I have to pee.
I was
Move.
like, no, just listen, but look, this what happened was right.
Why are you not letting me through
I'm
the
trying
door?
to.
I don't give a fuck about your sock. Move.
Okay, well let me tell you about how my day was. Matter of fact, let's talk about your day first. How was your day?
What are you hiding in there? What are you doing right now?
What?
I have to pee. I said that a million times. Move.
Actually, you know what? There's 3 bathrooms here. You could use the other one because I took a mean ass shit in there. You do not want to go in there. I'm telling you, like, it's.
No, I think I do. I think I'm gonna come.
Babe, wait,
I think I
don't think you do. I don't think you do. I don't think you do. I don't think you do.
Who is in there?
Nobody's.
Who is in there? Please stop playing with me. Who is in there?
Damn.
Move.
No one's in there.
5, 4, 3. You want to get to 1. You want to get to 1.
Run, bitch. Stupid ass. Oh.
Yeah, nah, y'all play too much, bro. Yeah, I play too much. They play too much, these couples. But hey, man, that's the end of the video, broskis and sisters. I hope y'all enjoyed that one. That was funny, man. Yes, so I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Let me know if y'all like this couple videos. I like them, so we're gonna do more of these videos, definitely. And I wish you guys a lovely weekend, a nice weekend whenever y'all watching this video. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And like I say, we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. If you like what we do and want to be part of the family, you know what to do, man. And I'll see you guys on the next video. We out.